Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts, such as our product include the control valve, the injector, the pumps, the repair kit, etc. And today we're going to introduce you one of our valve assembly, this one. And now, please, if you're interested about the product, let's follow me. See it together. Firstly, you can see the outside package. It is kind of blue VCI and T roast bag. Here, this is the product SKU, and the product code is F00VC01045. And here, Caitlin want to mention that for this kind of logo, the label, the packages, etc., we can support a customized service. And now, let's open it to see the inside. And inside of it, you will see the transparent bottles, right? It's very hard, and it can be better protect the product during the transportation. And you can roll it in this way. And then it's the oil paper to wrap it up. We Shumatt on not only selling the whole side, we also sell the separate parts like this kind of the valve cap or this valve rod. For this valve cap, if you look carefully, you find on the surface it's with the coating figures. That's the valve rod. Actually, for a product, we Shumatt supply with 6 months warranty time. And in this period, if you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange. We have the quality guaranteed. And here, Caitlin has several tips want to share with you. Before I mention that, for our product, we're doing this kind of business for many years. And we not only to sell it, we also want to share the experience for our customers. The first step is if you want to clean this kind of valve assembly, you'd better to clean it with the oil. Don't clean it with the water. The second tip is if you want to install it, you'd better to make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. So much for the control valve introduction. Actually, we have the other product we want to share with you. If you like our product, please focus on our channel, follow us at YouTube or the Facebook account. And today, thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.